When it comes to private land surveying in Bhubaneswar, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd is a trusted and reliable name in the industry. With their expertise and experience, they provide accurate and detailed land surveying services to individuals, businesses, and organizations in the area. As a private land surveyor, Scondesignindia ensures that all aspects of land measurement and assessment are carried out with precision and professionalism. Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd is known for its commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. They understand the importance of accurate land surveying in various industries such as real estate, construction, infrastructure development, and more. Whether it is for property boundary determination, topographic mapping, or site planning, their team of skilled surveyors utilizes the latest technology and equipment to deliver reliable and precise results. One of the key benefits of hiring a private land surveyor like Scondesignindia is their ability to offer personalized services. They work closely with their clients to understand their specific requirements and tailor their surveying solutions accordingly. This ensures that the surveys are conducted efficiently and effectively, saving both time and resources for their clients. The team at Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd is well-versed in all aspects of land surveying. From conducting thorough field surveys to analyzing data and creating accurate maps, they have the expertise to handle diverse projects. Their attention to detail and meticulous approach sets them apart from others in the industry. Moreover, Scondesignindia understands the importance of adhering to legal regulations and standards when it comes to land surveying. They ensure that all their surveys are conducted in compliance with the relevant laws and guidelines. This not only protects the interests of their clients, but also ensures that the surveys hold legal validity. In conclusion, if you are in need of a private land surveyor in Bhubaneswar, look no further than Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd. With their expertise, professionalism, and commitment to quality, they are the go-to choice for accurate and reliable land surveying services. Whether you require boundary determination, topographic mapping, or site planning, Scondesignindia has the skills